Welcome friends, I am Sahab, and you are watching Unlocking Ideas. Today we are going to do lots of fun by giving an astonishing look to these copper utensils. We will go step by step and know how it is done. The first step of Kalai is to clean the utensil with water. To do this, the utensil is first heated and given a bath in water. There are two ways of cleaning the utensil further to remove any impurities such as dust. The first is to clean it with caustic soda. The other is to wash it with dilute acid solution, which contains a gold purifying compound known as sulfa. This worker is using second method for further cleaning. He is preparing gold purifying solution by adding sulfa to acid. As he added sulfa to acid, the solution started boiling immediately. This solution is kept away because the gases produced are harmful. This worker is now preparing Nasadar powder. Nasadar powder has some very beneficial properties that can advertise Kalai's advantage. This is now crunch time. This is air blowing machine. Utensil is heated on it. Air goes inside this hole and blows from the middle of plate. Our worker is adding some coal on the furnace to heat vessels. Now this worker has prepared everything. He is ready to start. The vessel is heated on burning coal for about 2 to 3 minutes on blast furnace. After the vessel turns pinkish hot, the Nasadar powder is sprinkled on the vessel. The tin melts rapidly, which is then rubbed evenly on the utensil with the help of a cotton cloth or a swab of cotton. The rubbing process is known as majay in Hindi. A whitish smoke with the peculiar smell of ammonia is released when the Nasadar powder is rubbed on the utensil. A silvery lining appears on the vessel with a shine. The final step of Kalai is to dip the utensil in cold water. Kalai was earlier done with silver instead of tin, but now it would be too expensive. As stainless steel and aluminum ware came into being, the usage of copper and brass utensils decreased, which led the Kalaiers to suffer losses. Nowadays only some hotels and a very few people use vessels with Kalai. As a result, there are a very few Kalaiers left and the art of Kalai is vanishing. How much you like the art of Kalai, leave a comment below.